morning guys, what's going on? What's happening? How is life? Today is day one of our ride. Okay, I sound tired because quite honestly I didn't sleep whole night. I don't know it's anxiety or what. I kept drinking water, kept peeing, and the doctor said it's anxiety. So can you imagine, we shut the heaters in the night and slept. It was cozy enough, but couldn't sleep at all. But excited to jump on the bike. Layered, very well layered. Let me show you all. So I'm wearing my thermal, as you guys can see, full suit. It's all the way till down, the same I wore for Kaza and Ladakh. Above this I'm wearing the quick dry of Quechua, which I bought. You guys saw that. Above this I will put one more fleece. Above this my riding jacket, which is having a rain lining and a winter lining. Yes, it's that cold. Okay, a real good advice that to call for oversized boots, because I am wearing these thick socks with my general socks. Fits perfectly fine. Footing is perfect, no issues. I really thought I'm over layering myself, but trust me, this is nothing. As soon as I open the window, it is cold. Okay, so now I'm adding bungee cords, and these are the main things which will keep us warm. The controls are here. That's why we're wearing normal gloves. Putting the bungees now. We all have walkie-talkies. Alright, ready to ride? Slept well?
Not really. 4 hours.
Same here. Not even four. Got the Hydra pack. Got a walkie. I just know one control on this. The main switch, and okay, and yep, got my leg down, got my pants all set. Okay, feel quite stuffed though, but we'll be needing this henceforth definitely. Now time for breakfast. Okay, so doctor's test was done and I was 81 to 125, which is kind of normal. And having my breakfast, I'm about to have my egg, but before that I'm having my fruit and my oats. As usual, you guys know my diet. It'll be very tough initially to ride the bike with these things, so I have to get used to it. That's why I'm wearing a little these gloves, not the thick ones. Otherwise, I won't be able to, stuff my hand inside. Feeling a little stuffed, like my boots. I'm feeling heavy. My armor, I'm feeling heavy. So I'll go very easy initially because it's very tough to wear so much of gear and ride. Ski goggles are fine. Let's see how they work. If not, I'll change into my normal goggles. Okay, so we are off. So we have reached our first checkpoint, Narkhanda. So we are fueling up here. Trust me, the Hydra pack really works well. And stopped at Narkhanda petrol pump. And someone's laughing at me because I'm talking to a camera, and that's usual, vloggers get that. So yeah, we are at the petrol pump, and I'll just show you some glimpse. Yeah, so took a pee break, removed the helmet, felt a little nice. Actually, when you stop, you feel a little warmer, and that's nice because there's a lot of sun. Just got hydrated, and now back on the bike. The first footage of snow around me. Yeah, and yes friends, there was a small patch of black ice and I went over it. So seriously, I put my foot down, and as soon as I put my foot down, I got saved. Otherwise I would have crashed. Seriously, the whole bike was spinning. See, so you have to be very careful. So anything which shines is nearly black ice, but we'll be getting that ahead. But yes, we did get them in patches, and quite dangerous, so just be careful. So these are these awesome twisties which we have done. We are going like full throttle mode on this, checking the cornering of the Himalayan. I just hope there's no black ice suddenly in between, because that can happen. But superb. Just see how smooth this bike is flowing, man. Awesome, beautiful. So much fun to ride. All the anxiety, all the thing is gone, man, as soon as I get on this beast. And I think another kilometer or 2 kilometers we'll be having a small tea break, and the rest is good. My god, look at Rajat, how he rides. Crazy. Insane. That's why I love his riding, man. It's a treat to watch Rajat Gandhi ride a motorcycle. That's why I try to stick around behind him so I can enjoy, you know, and obviously learn also a little bit from him. It'll be like awesome. So major road under construction, and there's supposed to be some bridge which will come, which will have a lot of ice on it, so we have to be careful. And obviously from tomorrow we'll be getting more ice. Today will be a decent day, but today ride will be a lot because we're doing 221 kilometers, and I think Rampur would be anywhere around 40 or 50 maybe, you know. So took a tea break now, and check this place out. So I came up on the terrace to show all this beautiful view. Oh my god. And I think I'll do some photography as well. So our mission right there, you see that? So waiting for the tea, and some dry fruits they gave us. I've got mine, but they still gave us, and about to have it. And my GoPro is right now charging, and that's what's happening. And they're just checking the bikes, everything is fine. Few people are slamming the rear brakes a lot, so they are getting heat up, so they are just informing us don't use the rear brakes a lot. देखिए नहीं पराठे डाल रहे हो और बटर डालते हुए प्रोसेस डाल रहे हैं. So this is how you put butter on the paratha, Rajat style.
Still less.
Still less. Yes, you need more. White होता तो अलग ही बात होती. Okay, so we did like some serious bends, like serious, alright. And yeah, charged my GoPro for a while, and look at these roads. So this is the kind of last road today where we can get some tarmac. So that's why enjoying with all the bends and the curves and going full level. And by the way, I touched my toe already once on the corner, so I'm going a little easy now. Actually my shoes are big, right? So they were popping outside the foot peg, not that I scraped it all the way till the foot peg. And we are approaching towards Rampur, and I think now break would be next 50 odd kilometers. So we are descending now, actually, getting off, and you can see that we are going towards the mountains. That's why I think if you've not seen my Kaza video in past, please see that. This is the same route actually. Stopped by at one normal dhaba. Yeah, that's always going to be the backdrop now. Not that cold, but a little cooler. But now when we'll descend, we're gonna get a lot of cold, so we're gonna gear up again, eat something quick, bite, and then ride another hour or something. These are mutton momos. Let's try it. Wow. They're good, brother. They're good, no? Yeah, very good.
आवाज से लड़की नहीं लगता।
आवाज से तो ये भी लड़की लगता है। Yeah, the dogs are so cute here, man. Okay, so we're done with the meal, and Elvis has left the building. Okay, can you guys see that? Can you guys see that? That's where we're going. We are like 2 kilometers away from Tapri, and look at this view. Isn't this awesome? Finally we have reached, and so friends, my screen is fogging big time. You can read the grand what Sambhala, and wow, it's so warm. Wow, this heated grips rock. That's yeah. First ice, first snow. Wow, feels good. Yeah, we'll explore this place later. Check out my shoes. That's common. It'll get worse now. That's the hotel, guys. And so if you notice very carefully, right there, that's a snowfall happening on the peak. Yes. Sorry about the wind noise, guys. And let me show you all the final apples. Yeah, few apples left because this is not the season for them to grow. Right now they'll all dry out, but it looks like winter Christmas. So guys, this is the place. Look how beautiful it is. And this is the dining area. They have some snacks for us, some tea, coffee. Really nice. Oh, first water of... Oh, मुँह से धुआं निकल रहा है. Oh wow, there's a bullet parked inside, huh? Lightning 535, which is no more available. Wow. Owner's bike?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's owner's bike. The whole place is made of wood. This is all Tibetan art, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tibetan.
Wow, looks so beautiful. Dalai Lama. That's nice. Okay guys, see these cutie pies, and by the way, my dog, the lower one, was exactly like that. For 17 years I had him. His name was Snowy. If my family is watching, they'll know. Exactly like that. If my mom's watching, she'll be very happy. Hey Poogie. Hey, what's up, buddy? What's up? What's up? Let's take a nice shot of you guys. Right? Oh, they are adorable. They are so amazing. Hi, baby. Oh, they're licking me. Oh, they're so cool. Why can't kiss you, baby? Why can't kiss you here? They're so clean. Wow, he wants to play with me. Oh, man. Hey, Poogie. Oh, man. They're awesome. Yeah, my dog would never eat an apple. They're eating apples from the tree. Party dogs are awesome. He's shooting us. Oh, this one's good with you. Yeah, be like this. Dude, great shot. They have some bhajiyas. Crispy. Wow. I didn't even know I was hungry. Wow. So nice pakoras.
Okay.
Hello. Look at that. Look at that. कौन कहते हैं? हाँ. आपका नाम क्या है?
तंजिल लक्सम.
क्या नाम है? तंजिल लक्सम.
ओए ये तो इधर आ गए.
आपको ड्रोन पसंद है?
पकड़ो उसको.
एक आ गया.
इसमें बैठना है इसमें.
So he's so fascinated with the drone.
बहुत बड़ा है.
आपकी साइकिल तो बहुत अच्छी है. आपकी साइकिल तो बहुत अच्छी है. Everyone's in the balcony. Like, look at this. Everyone has this view, which is fantastic, and that's the reason everyone's at the balcony clicking pictures. And such a cute little balcony. I'm feeling bad that I'm just here for a day, and now I'll take you all inside and show you guys the room. Alright, so this is the bed. Me and Akhtar sharing this bed. Fortunately, there's heater. We don't know what will happen next. The amazing painting. Very nice, decent. Got a nice bathroom. By the way, they have hot water, so that's a bonus. Right now I'll take a shower so that it's beneficial. And yeah, looks good. They also have a small desk where we can keep all our stuff and things. So this is how the rider's room looks. But this is the best thing which has happened here. And I have changed into my Quechua pants. By the way, successful guys. If you're planning to have just one pant kind of a guy, I got a little station of mine. I don't have a table to edit, but that's cool. And friends, most important, I want to share something very important today. This thing worked what I planned. So everyone has removed their visors wearing the ski goggles, but apparently it worked for me by just putting the visor down. Okay, and a lot of air passing by here, so it didn't fog. But so far, when I'll go in snow, maybe it'll fail, but so far it's good, and I didn't freeze my nose, which is the main thing. Otherwise all good. And this is the view. So we'll be waking up to this view. What else do we want? Alright guys, it's really freezing. Thank God we have a heater. I am 3, 4, 5 layered. Still it's cold, and it's still not in minus. So imagine what's going to happen with us tomorrow. And thank God today we are fine, but let's see how tomorrow and day after happens. Now it's time to have some hot tea and stuff. That's the only thing which can keep us warm from inside. If you see Sarbjeet right now handling the camera, and look at this. Obviously, the media team has arrived in our room to take a bite from me. That is. This is. Oh, wow. Seriously? That's a pleasure. Okay, see guys, this is so natural. Right now I'm vlogging about it that, you know, he's just directed that, you know, sit like this in the blanket. It's cool.
0 degrees right now.
Oh shit! He just popped a news. It's 0 degrees. Freshened up well. I could not take exactly a shower, so I sponged myself with hot water. And trust me, I don't know how I'll share this, but when you pee in the washroom, smoke comes out. It's that cold. By the way, it's reached -2. Just got informed by the guy here. And yes, you can see I'm sitting next to the heater, so that I feel a little warm, and I'm already triple layered, guys. And I'm having dry fruits because dinner's served at 8 o'clock. I thought I'll order something else, but they don't have anything besides dinner because they're all, you know, it's like a homestay, so they're preparing all that. And I'm gonna quickly have dinner, so I thought I'll just sign off this vlog, today's vlog. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, you know what to do. Press the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed, and as usual, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Ride with Raj. So now he's taking us to a bar kind of area he's made of wood.
You're wearing slippers?
Ha, slippers. Okay. So this is amazing. So they have a home theater. Wow. And they have a very nice bar.